أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.
Here there is a very beautiful narration. Let me recite it for you in English, in Arabic, and then I will recite it to you in Arabic. قال الإمام الصادق صلوات الله وسلامه عليه. This narration has been narrated by Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam. This is hadiyya, this is a gift to you, brothers and sisters. What does Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam say? ما بين قبر الحسين عليه السلام إلى السماء مختلف الملائكة. مختلف الملائكة means that the angels ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for permission to descend upon the grave of Imam al-Husayn alayhi salam, so they can practice the ziyarah, they can recite the visitation of Abu Abdullah al-Husayn, and they finish, they go down and the rest go back up. The rest of the angels, they come down and they go back up. This is called مختلف الملائكة. وكل الله بقبر الحسين بن علي عليهما السلام 70,000 ملك يعبدون الله عنده. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed by the grave of Imam al-Husayn alayhi salam 70,000 angels, and their sole duty is to practice prayers, to uphold prayers, to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by the holy burial site of Abi Abdullah al-Husayn. يعبدون الله عنده. الصلاة الواحدة من صلاة أحدهم تعدل 1000 صلاة. One rak'ah performed by one of these 70,000 angels equals to 1,000 rak'ah that we human beings normally pray. الصلاة الواحدة من صلاة أحدهم تعدل 1000 صلاة من صلاة الآدميين. يكون ثواب صلاتهم لزوار قبر الحسين بن علي عليهما السلام. The reward of their prayers, the reward of their ibadah, the reward of their supplication, the reward of their worship by the grave of Abi Abdullah al-Husayn is for the zuwar of Abi Abdullah al-Husayn. For every single one of those men and women that have in their intention the ziyarah of Abi Abdullah al-Husayn, that thawab of that ibadah is rewarded to you, brothers and sisters.
أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.